Are you looking to build a high-performance website that stands out in the competitive New York market? WordPress is the ultimate solution. Whether you're a small business, an entrepreneur, or an enterprise, WordPress offers the flexibility, scalability, and cost-effective solutions you need to thrive. In this video, we'll explore why WordPress is the undisputed champion of the web development space. We're talking about why it's the go-to choice for businesses of all sizes. But it's not just about picking a platform, it's about tapping into the local talent pool. We'll dive deep into the benefits of hiring a WordPress developer right here in New York City. And trust me, we're not just scratching the surface here. We'll break down the key features your WordPress website needs to crush it in the search rankings and attract customers. So, if you're ready to take your online game to the next level, stick around. You're in the right place. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of development, let's break down why WordPress is running the web development game. WordPress powers over 43% of websites worldwide. It's like the iPhone of content management systems, ubiquitous, user-friendly, and versatile. WordPress is open source, meaning it's free to use, modify, and build upon. No hefty licensing fees eating into your budget. You can take the core platform and customize it to your heart's content. Want a simple blog? WordPress can do that. Need a full-blown e-commerce site? WordPress handles it. It's like the Swiss Army knife of web development. WordPress boasts a massive community of developers, designers, and enthusiasts. This translates into a treasure trove of resources, support forums, and plugins. Plugins are like apps for your website, allowing you to add functionalities without needing to code everything from scratch. SEO, security, analytics, there's a plugin for that. The community is constantly evolving, ensuring your website stays ahead of the curve. WordPress was built with the everyday user in mind. You don't need to be a coding wizard to manage your website. The intuitive interface makes creating pages, adding content, and updating your site a breeze. It's no wonder it's the top choice for businesses in New York and around the world. In the world of remote work and global talent pools, it might seem like location doesn't matter. But when it comes to building a website that truly connects with your audience in New York City, choosing a local WordPress developer is a game changer. New York thrives on connection and understanding the nuances of each borough. A local developer can capture the essence of what makes your business unique in a way that resonates with New Yorkers. Local developers are plugged into the New York business ecosystem. They understand local market trends and can offer insights that someone outside the city wouldn't have. Face-to-face communication ensures that everyone's on the same page. Hiring a local developer also means supporting the local economy. You're investing in the talent pool right here in New York City. Look for developers who have a strong portfolio of local clients and understand the New York market. The effort is worth it. All right, so you've chosen WordPress. You're ready to build your dream website. First and foremost, we need to talk about mobile responsiveness. Your website needs to look amazing on all devices, desktops, laptops, tablets, and especially smartphones. A responsive design ensures that your content is always front and center. Next up, let's talk SEO or search engine optimization. WordPress offers a ton of SEO plugins and tools that help you optimize your content to rank higher in search results. Now let's talk about speed. Your site needs to load lightning fast or you risk losing visitors. WordPress has optimization techniques, from image compression to caching plugins. High-quality images and videos are crucial for capturing attention and showcasing your brand personality. WordPress makes it easy to integrate multimedia content. Social media integration is essential. Social media plugins allow you to seamlessly share content and drive traffic to your site. Security should be a top priority. WordPress offers a range of security plugins and best practices to protect your site. An SSL certificate encrypts sensitive information, ensuring that data is safe. Finally, let's talk about analytics. Analytics tools provide valuable insights into your website's performance. Incorporating these essential features into your WordPress website will enhance its functionality. Create a seamless and engaging experience for your visitors. So you're convinced that WordPress is the way to go for your New York-based business. Awesome! But now comes the crucial part, finding the right WordPress developer. The right developer can be the difference between a website that just exists and one that thrives. Start by defining your needs and goals. What do you want your website to achieve? What are your must-have features? Look for developers with a strong online presence and a portfolio of impressive work. Pay attention to developers who showcase a deep understanding of the New York market. Communication is key. Choose a developer who is easy to communicate with and responsive to your inquiries. Ask about their experience with WordPress, their design and development process, and their approach to SEO. Choose a developer who is passionate about what they do and invested in your success. Trust your gut. The right developer will be a perfect fit for your business, your budget, and your vision. All right, you've got your WordPress developer locked and loaded. Now let's break down the exciting journey of building your very own WordPress website. First up, it's all about laying the foundation. This is where you and your developer hash out the website strategy and map out the site structure. Once the blueprint is finalized, it's time to select a theme and plugins. Think of the theme as the overall design aesthetic of your website. Now comes the fun part, design and development. This is where your developer transforms your vision into a stunning visual masterpiece. While your developer is busy crafting the front end, you'll be working on creating compelling content. Once the design and content are in place, it's time for the crucial testing phase. Thorough testing ensures that everything is working flawlessly. With the testing phase complete, it's time for the grand unveiling, launching your website. But the journey doesn't end there. Once your website is live, it's essential to track its performance using analytics tools. Building a WordPress website is an iterative process, so be prepared to adapt and optimize your site. Congratulations! Your WordPress website is live and you're ready to take on the digital world. But launching your site is just the beginning. Your website needs regular care and attention to ensure that it stays in tip-top shape. First and foremost, let's talk about security. Regular security updates, strong passwords, and security plugins keep your site safe. Keep your WordPress core, themes, and plugins up to date. These updates often include important security patches and new features. Regular backups are like an insurance policy. Regularly update your website with fresh, engaging, and relevant content. SEO is an ongoing process that requires constant attention. Regularly optimize your content with relevant keywords. Keep an eye on your website's analytics and track key metrics. Make adjustments to your content, design, or marketing strategies as needed. Don't be afraid to reach out for help when you need it. Maintaining your WordPress website is an ongoing commitment. By investing in regular maintenance, you're investing in the long-term success of your online presence. So there you have it. Everything you need to know about why WordPress is the ultimate platform for building a website in New York City. With its flexibility, SEO capabilities, and a price point that won't break the bank, it's the perfect choice for businesses of all sizes. Remember, choosing the right WordPress developer can make or break your online presence. If you're ready to build a powerful website that captures the essence of your brand, reach out to a professional WordPress developer today. Don't wait another minute to unlock the full potential of your online presence. WordPress is the best solution for website development in New York. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more expert web development tips. See you in the next video.